Hey, what's up, you guys? Your girl Von Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair video. So right now I'm taking my scarf off because I had to lay my edges down. For my edges, I use Extreme Wetline gel for it. Still tricky on what to use for my edges yet, but it's been good so far. This is a braid pattern that I did, so I'm going to make the illusion of individuals in the front, and then basically the back is just regular cornrows. I'm going to show you what hair oil I used on my scalp. This is from Miel, rosemary, I think it's like mint strengthening oil, and this is the hair we're doing, oh my god, I can't even talk right now, the passion twist hair, and this is very bouncy, very soft, very luxurious. I love the way it looks, and it's 24 inches, so it kind of reached the top of my butt. I'm about 5'4", so it's pretty good for my length, I would say. And then I'm just showing you the loops and whatnot for the crochet. So this I'm just fast forwarding. I mean, I pretty much know everybody knows how to crochet their hair in and whatnot. So this is just, you know, a little fassy forward. But I do love this hair. This is my first time doing this braid pattern to just make it an illusion of having individuals, and I love the way it turned out. I would say this was a very easy, simple process for me. For the front row where I, did that braiding pattern for the boxes, I used about 2 packs of hair, and it really saved me a lot because before, when I would do just regular cornrows in the front, I would use more than 2 packs in the front of my head. So I would always have to buy extra hair to, fill in where I need to fill in. But to be honest, I just used 6 packs of hair. How the packs were, as you can saw, it was 3 in 1. So I got 2, so I had 6 in total. So I used all 6 packs. I did have a little bit left over, but I didn't want them on the side like that. So I used everything, and it came out great. The hair feels nice, it's bouncy, and I just love this method of the individual look of it. Look at me, period. I could see myself with my hair done, period. Anyways, this did not take long, which was really good. I think I'm going to be doing this braiding pattern forever. Actually, I'm going to be doing it for a lot of my crochets, especially for like my braids and these passion twists or spring twists. Single leans twist, I'm not sure how that will work out because single lean twists are more smaller and more petite and whatnot. But definitely for my braids and passion twists and spring twists, I will be doing this method because it just makes it so neat and so versatile. So I really enjoy that. But yeah, if you guys really do enjoy this video, please like, comment, subscribe to your girl, and I will be posting more hair videos. I'm going to be doing some fashion hauls soon. So I'm really changing the aspect of this channel because reactions, they're all cool and all, but I really don't want to do it like that. I probably do a reaction every once in a while. There probably was something going on social media or something, I don't know, just to give my opinion about something. But mostly I think I'll be doing hair and clothing. So it's going to be a very big transition from what I'm usually doing, but I really do hope you guys, enjoy it. Even if you're new or old, I hope you guys enjoy what I have to offer. As you can see right now, I think I'm on my 2nd pack or maybe ending my 1st pack, which is really great because, like I said, when I did the single cornrows, I would use so much on the front of my head, which it would make it look so crazy and so bulky. But with this, it's like it slims it down, so I don't have that much of a mass in front of my head, so which is really good. So yeah, I'm almost ending this. It's just looking so nice. Look at that. I could wear it to the side if I wanted to, and it would still look good. I was starting to not like how I would put my hair in a ponytail and how the twists look, like well, the crochet look. So with this is a lot better. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. What was that? Anyways, so here I'm basically almost done with the front of my head. And then I'm just going to, envision myself how it will look like with everything down. And then it just looks great. It just looks great. Like, look. It literally looks like I have individuals in my head. It literally looks like and my edges look good. Excuse that side of my head because I'm kind of, I don't know what's going on my edges in the front right there, but it just looks crazy. Here I'm trying to figure out how to do it without messing up my hair, but it's just bomb. Look at that. Just bomb. This bomb. Period. 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 Yes, sis. Yeah. I'm a hot mess. Y'all just don't know. I'm crazy. But I'm just feeling myself. I'm imagining my whole hair being done and how bomb it's gonna look. So right now, I'm just putting my hair in a high ponytail so I can do the back of my head. And as you can see, the back of my head is just plain cornrows. So just gotta play into time with that. I remember when I was first doing oh my gosh, when I was first doing crochet twists, I would like stack them, not stack them, but like I will place in one strand and I'll place it right on top of that, and then which made my hair look so big and it was so heavy. And then I've learned like I did not need to do that. Like it's okay to skip, like, you know, make some space in between the strands, because once it's all said and done, they're just gonna fall down and blend in nicely. So thank God I've learned to do that. But look how that looks. Look how that high bun looks. Look at that. All right. So now we're just putting the back. So I had two left of something, I guess. I don't know. But look how that looks. Look at my edges. They is looking good. I look like I'm on episode of Bridgerton with my hair looking like that. Period. Essence. Melanin. Beauty. Maybe it's Maybelline. But yeah, how y'all doing? How's y'all day going? Have y'all been productive? Have y'all been doing good? Huh? Let me know what's going on in y'all lives. Everything fine? Everything straight? Everything Gucci? I will say for myself though, I have been a lot more productive with my art and stuff. I know I should be posting more about my art skills here. But if you guys do want to see any of my art, you can go on TikTok and follow me on Work of Art Evie, or my Instagram, Work of Art Evie. There you'll see my coasters, my pop sockets, my keychains, my paintings, and whatnots. And, you know, just see what I have up and available. I do plan on having my Etsy stores. I don't know, maybe the following month or something, but I still need to like build inventory and whatnot. But, if you guys, I just got time behind. If you guys have any like, you know, recommendations or tips. Oh, look at me. Look at the hair is done. The hair is done. She's finished. Look how the hair looks. It just looks so nice. It looks so natural. It just looks so bohemian. It's just like, oh my gosh, so Caribbean. So Caribbean. And you know me, I'm a Caribbean gal. Yes, I am Haitian queen, period. And I just look good. My skin looks really good. I'm not gonna lie to you about that, y'all. My skin looks real nice. I'm using this new soap and it's just looking nice. But girl, yes, the hair is laid. The hair is done. I love the twists. They're bouncy. This hair, there is some, you know, there's a little bit of weight, but it's not bad. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that. It's something I can manage. And it's just bomb. Like, I'm just so happy how this turned out. And I hope you guys like it too. And it's just cute. It's just cute. So here I'm going to show you how the back of my head would look if I put it in a ponytail. It doesn't look bad. I mean, it's, hey, you know, it's crochet. So I don't expect anybody to think it would look any different. But it's not bad. And I like it. Shoot. It'd be hot in Florida. But, yes. I'm just so happy how this turned out. And I will be doing this method, this braiding pattern, like I said, for now on when it comes to like twists and whatever. And this just came out so nice. And it's been hot in Florida lately. Oh my God. And the summer's coming. Oh my God. It's been so hot. So I really needed a hairstyle where I could just put my hair up and that's it. I can wear any type of way I want and whatnot. Having my natural hair out right now is just not what's tea. Not what is tea. So here I was trying to put my hair in a, you know, in a top bun, but it did not work out how I thought it was gonna work out. But hey, at least I tried. You know, my arms were just killing me because, you know, braiding the hair, that's the part that kills you the most. But other than that, crocheting everything was not that bad, to be honest with you. It wasn't bad at all. It was just the braiding. The braiding always gets you. And then, okay, so here we go, sis. This is a struggle right here. All right, wrap it around. Wrap it around. Bring it around town. Bring it. And this is where I messed up at. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh, boy. That did not want it to look like that. Looking like somebody on Whoville or something. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this foolishness. Look at this foolishness. Yeah. But then when I let it down and I pull it back like that, I was like, whoa, this is cute. I'm like, I never wore my hair like this. This is cute. This is a look. This is a look. That's a summer look. Literally. I said, that is a summer look. I was just like, I look too good. I look too good. Child period. And then just want to see the bag. Like, look at that. Look at the bounce. Look at the bounce. I'm so happy how this turned out. I am not mad at it. I am appreciating all of this. But period. Yee. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you with the next one. Bye.